I'm Fidelis Care Medical Director Dr. Eric Olson. I wanted to speak to you about hearing loss and the importance of getting your hearing tested every 2 years. Hearing loss is common as we get older, or if we've been exposed to loud sounds. Because hearing loss comes on slowly, many people do not notice it as it happened. Hearing loss can make us feel isolated or misunderstood by other people. On a personal note, I myself have hearing loss. I didn't notice anything odd, except some occasional ringing in my ears. I went to a hearing specialist and I got a test that revealed mild hearing loss. I will now need to be tested every year, and probably will need a hearing aid someday. My father was also diagnosed with hearing loss and has a hearing aid, which has greatly helped him to do the things he enjoys. There have been many advances in hearing aid technology in recent years. The new hearing aids are smaller and much better than before. Many Fidelis Care plans have a hearing aid benefit. Fidelis Care also covers testing for hearing loss. With proper testing and management, you can take on hearing loss and improve your quality of life.